Major Charles D. Beard Jr. grew up in the Great Depression and believed there was always a way to tackle life's challenges.
He was just a really strong person. He had a strong character, very strong belief in the Lord, really believed in helping his fellow man.
Mr. Beard also had a passion for flying. He cut yards in West End and used his money to fly around Birmingham with Glenn Messer, the legendary World War I pilot and co-founder of the Birmingham Airport.
That bug bit my dad. He just wanted to become a pilot. That was sort of his driving force.
So Mr. Beard enlisted in the United States Army Corps during World War II. On his 13th mission to Berlin, his plane was shot down over Belgium. Listed as missing in action and presumed dead for 10 months, he was actually fighting with the Nazi resistance fighters, and this had a lifelong effect.
This young resident was asking him about his stress level, and my dad said, "Stress, son, is when you've been shot down in a foreign country, in a war, you're 17, 18 years old, you're running around, you haven't eaten in days, you don't know where you are, you don't know what's going to happen to you, somebody's trying to kill you. That is stress."
Mr. Beard and his wife, Sue, had 5 children. Together, they founded a new home health agency that is now known as Alacare Home Health and Hospice. In the year 2000, Mr. Beard was diagnosed with colon cancer, and after a 5-month battle, passed away. His wife, Sue, also lost her battle to colon cancer.
It was hard for him, like it is for all people that go through cancer. And it was hard for us, to see him have to go through that. But he was his usual strong sort of self the whole way through it.
Mr. Beard's legacy has been recognized numerous times, including being inducted into the Alabama Healthcare Hall of Fame and the Alabama Nursing Hall of Fame.
We have the opportunity every day to get up and to get organized and think about, what we're going to do during the day and what sort of a difference we're going to make in people's lives. And if we can kind of get past our own barriers that we create for ourselves and focus on those things, we can get a lot accomplished.
And a lot is being accomplished by the American Cancer Society through support, research, and education.
It's such a horrible illness, and there's so many people affected. I mean, you just don't know anybody these days that doesn't know somebody or have somebody close to them that's had cancer, survived it or not. So I just think it's one of the most important causes out there.
I think it's exciting that, the Cancer Society is holding this gala and giving people the opportunity to come out and, support cancer research and prevention and treatment, and also, to honor their family members who have maybe survived cancer and those who have passed on, because it's important to remember that.